سمية أربع سمية وقلي قاري بانقطي وبرمد بسوقة قاري بانقط.
Immediately, I worked hard, I got a permit, and I actually bought a vehicle.
أنا برمد وطوم مال إلا مرة يو السوق بوضك إلى الحكومة يا واحد وشيت البوليس.
And then suddenly, I am thinking like I am the leader and the head of this country. I'm doing wonderful. And then I got a vehicle, and suddenly I was driving the vehicle, and I got pulled over, and I see the lights of the police behind me.
بوليس كي مركب استاجية أو صوت دكتي أصلاً ولي أنا جو حويدين بوحة كسر دعي كل كله أو نبضنا أو إمرجنسي أو والمر لرسول عايم.
So when the police officer pulled me over, as he was approaching to me, he got another urgent call, like something that was very, very urgent. And before he said anything to me, he went back to his vehicle and started driving, and he started driving to Roma. He started running, got in his car and just took off running. And I thought that is what the reason why he came towards me. I thought that's what he was telling me is for me to follow him, and I followed him.
Wilmer markuu joogo intaasoo nal gooya nalalka asaga waa gooyaa ma istaago nalkood geliya wuxuu gooyaa maxamudaa guduudan anna waa daba ordahaya.
So this whole time, he's urgent, he runs a red light, he passes the bus stops, everything, and I'm doing exactly the same thing. I just followed him all the way. And then he got to his place where he was going to where the urgent was, and I pulled right next to him.
What do you need?
I pulled next to him and he said, what do you need? I told him, you pulled me over and I'm wondering, what do you need? And then he said, I ran all of the red lights and you've been following me this whole time? I said, yes, I was.
بوليس في عبوها يمكن الحين المسلمين ملبو إلا حتى كتبوا يرهدي بوليس ويستاجيو وأسلموا وحكويدين على
He was a nice police officer. He did a cultural class for me then. Took me over to the side and said, listen, if you ever get pulled over in the future and the officer doesn't say anything to you, that does not mean you follow him. And then he let me go, but then I told him, I just followed you. I'm not a GPS. How am I supposed to get here? I told him that it's here. I need someone to take me home. How am I going to get home? So I gave them my address and then another police officer escorted me home. For 2 hours I was running after an officer, and then coming back I was also being escorted and following another officer.
So
and then after I went home, I started really analyzing what just happened. And I realized I could have ran someone over, I could have done a lot more damage. The following morning, I put a for sale sign on that vehicle, and I never drove back.